Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining today's Nugget presentation. In this session, we focus on clarity, relevance, and immediate application. Let me start with a nugget for all professionals in the room. Preparation reduces pressure, structure gives confidence. Our speaker, Sujata, today will show you how structured thinking leads to impactful facilitation. Over to you, Sujata.
Okay, hi everyone. So, yes, today I am going to share what are the benefit of structured thinking and organized thoughts. And my today's nugget presentation is all about that, as my topic suggests, that is effective brainstorming. So that would be my topic, and I would like to make you understand in a on a deeper level. So first of all, what is effective brainstorming? Hello. Actually, it's a structured collaborative process to generate many diverse ideas quickly by focusing on a clear problem, ensuring equal participation and postponing judgment. Why it matters actually? It increases creative output, okay, and it encourages inclusive participation. At the same time, it improves solution quality. Let us try to understand.
Yes, the connection is back, Sujata.
Okay, so to let's go deep down in this. For that, I would like to share with you an effective technique which will help you to understand this effective brainstorming process. The name of the technique is round robin sharing. Interesting, right? What this round robin sharing? What does it mean? Okay, actually, round robin sharing is a structured brainstorming technique in which participants take turns contributing ideas one at a time in a set sequence. And this ensures everyone has an equal chance to share, prevents louder voices from dominating, and encouraging input from quieter members. Let's do an activity. Imagine a team is gathered around a table, and the challenge with them is how can we improve our client onboarding experience? So the facilitator should say, let's try something different today. And that is round robin sharing. In round robin sharing, actually, everyone gets a turn to contribute one idea. We will go one by one around the table until each person has spoken. After everyone has had their turn, we will repeat if we want more ideas. Round robin sharing is unlike traditional open brainstorming, where some voices were dominate and others wait for a chance to speak. But round robin puts each person in sequence and give them space to be heard. That's the major difference. Okay. Okay. So let's understand, why does this technique matter in a corporate context? Well, it involves equal participation, because in many meetings, loud voices can dominate and introverted team members might hold back. But round robin removes that imbalance by designing, ensuring everyone gets a say. Okay? Okay, next is active engagement, because each person knows that no, now my turn would come. So I have to listen carefully and actively I have to listen to others, and that prevents them to be disconnected and idle waiting. The last but not the least is it gives diverse perspective, because when every team member shares in turn, the range of ideas just broadens. People from different functions, maybe operations, marketing, product, each bring unique insights that enrich the solution space. Now that we have a round of ideas, let's revisit each one after a short pause. And after taking this pause before evaluation helps a lot. So after doing the group discussion, we do the refinement process. So this non-judgmental space encourages creative thinking free from immediate criticism. Okay. By the end of this session, the team has not only generated a diverse set of ideas, but they also have done so in a way that builds trust, engagement, and ownership across the group. So I would like to say round robin isn't just a technique. In corporate settings, it becomes a way to listen, include, and innovate together. Now, imagine if we don't use such techniques, then what type of consequences we can face? Let's talk about that. So, if we don't use such effective brainstorming techniques, we will have fewer and less creative ideas. There will be imbalance. There will be unfocused and chaotic discussions, lots and lots of frustration, and we will get the ideas that even don't connect to our business needs. So that's the use, and that's the effect and impact of using effective brainstorm techniques. So yes, I would like to say that yes, we so in a nutshell, if I would say with quick bites in the form of nuggets, that when everyone takes a turn in a structured sequence, all voices are heard, diverse ideas emerged, and collaboration deepens, making round robin an effective mode for inclusive, creative brainstorming. So I hope I was able to make you understand this concept in my way. That's all from my side. And if any question, any concerns, I am here to answer.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sujata. First of all, thank you so much. We know you are at a public space, and despite all that, you are so committed to giving this your entire what do you call self that you have joined us from there, and it is really commendable and hats off. So, yes, it was wonderful. Yes, round robin technique is something, which is really, really very useful, especially when we have to break in new trainees in a corporate or anywhere for that matter. So, yes, thank you so much for this. Yes, what do you call Dipali? Would you like to say something about the session?
Hi, sorry. Hi, Sujata. Hi, Sujata. Uh,
Hello,
this was
Dipali. Yeah.
this was such a nice session you did with us. So many times it does happen that there are some people who are just very quiet, and the minute you talk to them, they come up with brilliant suggestions. Thanks for giving us this technique, and I think it would be brilliant to be used in the workplace. Thanks again.
Thank you so much. Yes, Frida, what about you?
In fact, I could relate to what you tried saying, Sujata, because the whole idea of brainstorming and how you apply it when you're the round robin technique in a group, you know, it's it makes you. For me to think of it was actually very fulfilling. It's quite lucidly and crisply explained.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Happy
Thank
aligned.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you, audience. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this beautiful presentation. We'll see you next week with another activity and more fun. Bye bye.